Hello Internet and welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox CyberPunk 2077. So first, before I start to unwrap this game, plays great on PS5. This has been added I think recently. So because this game is still unwrapped, it is not written on the case of the game. So now I unwrap the game. So let's see, PS4 over 2200 awards. This is so much. CD Red Project or CD Project Red, the game. It includes Arabic translation and subtitles. Okay. In the box, two CDs. Okay, compendium. Okay, I don't know what this means. Stickers, postcards, game map, digital content access. Look at the back. Night City change everybody. The Night of Cyberpunk is a open world adventure story game set in the middle of the blah blah blah. This is in Arabic. This is the back of the cover. This is the city. This is image we see it every day and now on the internet. Night City. I don't know how it is. Night City. Maybe this game happens almost in night time. Anyway, so this is single player. 70 gigs of memory is required. DualShock 4. Well, I hope if they wrote DualSense compatibility. Well, PS4 Pro. But as we saw on the wrapping of this game, it was written PS5. So no worries. Remote play, nothing new here. And the language 18, bad language, violence, and sex. If I want to open it just like this, throw this on the side before we open the game case. We have the booklet. Oh yeah, this is the word compendium or whatever it is called. So it describes a little bit of the game, friend or foe, fixers, nomads, life path. Well, I think the game is full of mechanisms, so I think you need to read this manual. Let's put it on the side now. So the second thing we have is the Night City map. Well, this is a barcode. I don't know if I can scan it, but anyway. And this is another code. I don't know what it is. Well, this is the map. Kinda small peek on it. I'm afraid Red Project CD. I paused the video a little bit to just turn on the lights because it's getting dark. So this is the map. I'm afraid CD Projekt will not be happy when I'm showing this map on for YouTube. But this is just like a sneak peeks. Let's throw it away. And those are the postcards. And this is the back. You can write your address or stamp. I don't know if this is a future or no. Why they just included the postcards? They should include the emails. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is closed now. It's the same thing as the outer case. Nothing changed at all. So welcome to the Night City. I don't know why they emphasize so much on the Night City. So the most part, blah 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 DLC. For more details on claiming the free DLC, visit blah blah blah. I don't know. I don't know how do you claim. I don't know how you claim it. So now we got to the stickers. I think I flipped them. So angry mask, no. A robotic angry mask, a nuke, and CyberPunk. Total of 5 stickers. Nothing in the back. The manual, I think now. This is what they call it now. This is different than the game companion. I don't know, just forget. So now we will come to the dilemma of 2 discs. So first you have the first disc, which is called play disc. So this is when you want to play the game, I'm supposing. And this is for the data. So first you have to insert this CD or this disc So first you install this, insert this disk to install the required data. Then the game will prompt you to change to this disk to play. And that's it for Cyberpunk 2077. Thank you guys for watching.